I'll have a contract here which I can edit or I can sell. Hello, welcome to this tutorial in which you learn how to trade turbos on Deriv. If you do not have an account, create using the link in the description, and then after clicking the link and creating an account, to log into your account. If you have an account, just log into your account, and then for those who have new accounts, then your dashboard is a bit different to those who had older accounts. So this is how your dashboard should look like, and then just select option trading and then proceed to Deriv Trader. Those who have older accounts, just locate Deriv Trader, you see it on your dashboard and select it. So this is how your screen will look like. Just proceed to here where you will see the options and proceed to look for turbos. So here we have the up and down button. So when I change and then scroll down, you see this is up, and then we have the red one that is down. So let's say that I predict this price is going up. I'll be earning per point a difference in price. For example, here you can see -10. This means that this is where my stake will end. So here we have 10 USD. This is what I'll be earning per point, and I will be losing that per point. So if I change it to 6, you will see that this will change, and if I change it to 3, you'll see that this will also change. You can also multiply 3 multiplied by this, you'll still get the amount of stake that I have just placed. So it will be near or just above, it will depend with the conditions. So I can just add, and you see it will just move above. So this means that my stake will just end here. So up means that I'm predicting the market will keep moving up, and I'll be earning for that movement. So also you need to note that we have a time frame here. So enter a highest time, because you can still take profit or you can sell that contract. For example, here, let's say that I choose a market. I just look for a market. Here you can see this is just higher. I can just proceed to choose down. That way you can see it is just above there. And then if I predict it will be going down, I just choose this one, and then I predict it will be going down. So as I predict it will be going down, I'll have a contract here which I can edit or I can sell. So you can see my entry spot, and then you can see my barrier here. So here I can edit the take profit, or I can just sell. So this type of trading has the highest returns, and you can hold, provided that the time is just there, you can still hold that trade and still make the most out of it. The only barrier is that this market can still come back to where you entered. So you might not make a lot, but you can still set the take profit here. So make sure you use the take profits to get out of those markets. So you see how it is behaving. It just goes up and down, but you still have the chance to make a lot of money here. You have a lot of opportunities to make money here, because these markets keep going up and down. As you can see, after going up for some time, it will go down. So that is how you can use this opportunity to make money, and after it has gone such, you sell your contract. So that is how you can trade these turbos to make a lot of money on them. So thanks for watching. If you have a question, leave it in the comment section.